Today at the Fat Tony Tuning Shop, we're going to tell you about a new generation of active exhaust system, the Terminator. So, what is an active exhaust system? An active exhaust system is a device that imitates the sound of internal combustion engines, typically gasoline engines, and usually it's needed by owners of diesel cars, cars with small displacement engines, or even electric vehicles. For several years now, this market has been actively growing, and overall there are already, I think about 5 maybe brands of active exhaust systems on the market. Today we're going to tell you about a new product that's just now hitting the market. It's a real pleasure to present their product because these are genuinely competent people who understand what they're doing and why they're doing it. So let's get into the details of the Terminator active exhaust system. The Terminator consists of the main emitter unit, a separate amplifier, a set of mounting tools, an instruction manual, proper fasteners, and everything you'll need to get it installed. So why exactly should the Terminator system grab your attention? Let's start by taking a look at the main unit. Overall, notice how compact it is. The experience of our colleagues in creating this equipment took into account the availability of free space in a vehicle. The units are always installed on the exterior of the car, and as a rule, even based on my own user and amateur experience with car operation, this particular form factor really does allow it to be placed, without a doubt, almost problem-free in practically any vehicle. The unit is made from corrosion-resistant materials. In our case, it's stainless steel, but as I understand it, the mass-produced versions will have aluminum housings, and it's unlikely they'll be technologically inferior in any way. The unit is notable for its lack of any kind of damping or acoustic enclosure, meaning there's no nozzle, no base reflex port design like you see in some active exhaust systems and so on. This type of design will, for sure, undoubtedly have a minimal effect on the sound. And that's really cool because as soon as you start damping an acoustic enclosure, you always get a specific peak in a certain frequency range. An open baffle design will always sound more neutral, without any pronounced peaks. These usually just manifest as a typical booming or droning sound. I'm confident that in these systems that will be absent simply based on the physics, the type of enclosure and its form factor. An important distinctive feature of this acoustic system is the ability to combine them. Into one car, you can install 1, 2, 5, 7 or 10 systems. And there's absolutely no deception here, no trick, because each system will have its own dedicated amplifier. As you know, there are some devices on the market that allow you to connect either 1 or 2 emitters to a single amplifier. And that's a kind of gimmick because the amplifier's power doesn't increase. The additional units naturally take up a portion of its power. In this case, you get a corresponding increase in power with multiple installations. So if you've installed one system, adding a second one will increase the power proportionally. The same goes for a third. And that is a very important, significant plus. An undeniable plus of this system and its installation is the wireless contactless connection. For example, if you're worried about your warranty, the installation of this device will in no way affect the vehicle's warranty. The system is installed separately from the main electrical units and a separate fuse system is installed. The CAN bus signal reader is installed contactlessly, that is, without splicing into the wiring. It's simply placed over the wire without any kind of splicing into the car's electronic system. And it preserves the warranty on your vehicle's electrical systems. According to the manufacturer, this amplifier unit has highly complex algorithms, audio signal processing algorithms that transmit all the backfires and create a realistic sound, an imitation of the sound of an internal combustion engine's exhaust system. Of course, we'll come back to evaluating the sound of this system after we've installed it. Now, a little about the controls. The Terminator active exhaust system is controlled via the app of the same name. The library of available sounds will be updated and available for download in the very near future. It's also worth noting that the manufacturer provides a 2-year warranty for the proper use of this system. That's another point in favor of the Terminator. Alright, we've had a look and a feel, and now let's install it on one of the cars that will always be here at the tuning shop, giving you the chance to come and listen to it all in person. finished installing the Terminator active exhaust system. This is a universal active exhaust system that stands out from many of its competitors with its detailed sound, functionality, and a convenient, user-friendly interface. It's all controlled using an app. There are 7 available cars, and the sound imitation is produced at the highest level. There's an option for fine-tuning and further adjustments. There are 4 volume levels. In short, absolutely everything to make your car sound like a proper car with a gasoline engine with V6 or V8 motors. As you've gathered, it's all controlled through the app via Bluetooth, securely pairing the installed system with a specific phone. This is so that no one from a neighboring car can mess with your exhaust, as can happen with some competitors' systems.